Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss how to treat anemia. If you have been feeling sleepy and extremely tired all the time, then chances are that you may be suffering from anemia. Anemia is one of the most common blood disorders in which the body lacks enough healthy red blood cells to carry a proper amount of oxygen to various organs and tissue. As the cells do not get an adequate amount of oxygen, they are unable to generate sufficient energy, and this leads to a constant feeling of fatigue and tiredness. Anemia can be caused by various factors ranging from iron deficiency to autoimmune diseases. While sickle cell anemia need proper medical treatment, you can easily treat anemia caused by iron or vitamin B12 deficiency at home by using incredibly simple natural remedies. Home remedy number 1, Blackstrap molasses. Blackstrap molasses is incredibly rich in iron, B vitamins and minerals and can be used to treat a wide variety of ailments. Take 1 gallon of warm water, pour 1 tablespoon of blackstrap molasses. Mix blackstrap molasses in warm water and drink it. Home remedy number 2, apple cucumber juice. An apple a day can treat anemia and also keep it at bay. Take apple, cucumber, lemon and cilantro. Carefully peel and slice an apple and cucumber. Add the apple, cucumber and cilantro into a juicer. Add fresh lemon juice to the extracted juice. Mix well and drink the mixture. Home remedy number 3, beetroot. Beetroot is incredibly rich in iron and consuming it daily will definitely boost your iron levels naturally. Take beetroot, apple juice, carrots and ginger. Take beetroot, carrots and ginger in a juicer. Blend everything together in the mixer to get a smooth texture. Add fresh apple juice to the mixture. Drink 1 glass daily. Home remedy number 4, pomegranate. Pomegranates are another red food containing strong dose of iron, vitamin C and folate. Take pomegranate juice, honey and cinnamon. Combine all the ingredients and drink daily with your breakfast or lunch. Home remedy number 5, spinach. This dark leafy vegetable will greatly enhance your iron levels and help alleviate the symptoms of anemia. Take spinach juice, beetroot juice, orange juice and lemon juice. Combine all the ingredients in a pitcher. Squeeze fresh lemon juice and mix well. Drink this concoction to boost your blood iron level. Home remedy number 6, chlorophyll. You can take chlorophyll supplements to treat anemia as it increases your blood hemoglobin levels and boosts blood production. Take 100 mg chlorophyll supplements twice daily. Home remedy number 7, iron supplements. Taking iron supplements can prove to be highly effective treatment for anemia. Take iron supplements to treat anemia. Home remedy number 8, vitamin B12. Deficiency of vitamin B12 can lead to pernicious anemia, a condition in which the body does not get enough vitamin B12 to produce enough healthy red blood cells. You can treat anemia by taking vitamin B12 supplements in a form that can be easily absorbed by the body. You can easily treat anemia caused by iron or vitamin B12 deficiency at home by using incredibly simple natural remedies. So apply these home remedies as per set direction to treat anemia. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.